Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Ryanair rule leaves some travelers facing £100 fine and extra charges. Ryanair has recently warned passengers regarding hefty fines of £100 for those who arrive late at the airport. If you show up less than 40 minutes before your scheduled departure, you could face this fine per passenger. According to Ryanair's terms and conditions, the fee applies only for passengers who arrive at the airport less than 40 minutes before and up to 1 hour after the scheduled flight departure time. The fine also applies to those who show up at the ticket desk within an hour after the flight has departed, with the option to be moved to the next available flight. The fee is applied per passenger per sector, meaning each leg of the journey could incur a fine. In addition to the late arrival fines, Ryanair charges £55 per passenger if you choose to check in at the airport instead of online. The airline's policy states, if you do not check in online by 2 hours before your flight's departure, you can check in at the airport up to 40 minutes before departure, but you will be charged an airport check-in fee. Read more. Jet2 axes 2 summer 2025 routes to Italy, 6 months after announcing them. Passengers can check in easily via the Ryanair website or mobile app. After logging in, they can select the check-in option and provide details of their travel document. For security reasons, the check-in process must be completed by either the passengers themselves, someone listed on their booking, or someone with personal knowledge of the passengers and their luggage. For safety purposes, Ryanair stresses that passengers must confirm that they've adhered to the necessary security, health, and safety protocols before completing the check-in process. Those who pre-book seats can check in up to 60 days before their flight. However, check-in is only available for outbound and return flights within that 60-day window. If passengers haven't reserved a seat in advance, Ryanair opens check-in 24 hours before departure and closes 2 hours before the flight. Regarding travel documentation, Ryanair only accepts valid forms of ID, such as a passport or national identity card, for flights. Regardless of the destination, a driver's license or birth certificate will not be accepted for travel. It's each passenger's responsibility to ensure they have the correct photo ID that complies with Ryanair's requirements and those of the relevant immigration authorities. Don't miss EasyJet, Ryanair and British Airways passengers issued travel warning report. Brits travel warning as British Airways, EasyJet, and Ryanair hit by strikes latest. Expert shares something you should never wear on a flight insight. We use your sign-up to provide content in ways you've consented to and to improve our understanding of you. This may include adverts from us and third parties based on our understanding. You can unsubscribe at any time. Read our privacy policy. Ryanair also emphasizes that travel regulations vary depending on the destination, and passengers are advised to check the specific entry requirements for their journey before traveling. The airline's strict check-in and late arrival policies underscore the importance of planning for smooth travel. It says it maintains such a policy to keep to a tight schedule, highlighting the need for passengers to adhere to the guidelines to avoid costly penalties. When flying with Ryanair, being prepared with your travel documents, checking in on time, and arriving at the airport well before the cutoff can save you time and money.